Hello friends, welcome you all again to our Alpha Technicals YouTube channel. Today again we are going to look into a one 5 minutes chat, beautiful, wonderful option scalping strategy. Okay, before getting into the strategy, I have a request for you people. See, our analytics shows the watch time, say like people now who have not subscribed are 70%. After watching the video, people who subscribe is only 29%. Request you all to subscribe to our channel. This is a journey. We are going to have more wonderful video about stocks, OI data analyzation. Okay, lot of other things we have planned. So we have started with scalping, such that people learn few tricks for earning immediately. Later we can also start our learning. Okay, fine friends, any doubts? There is one more we are into today. We'll also look into a method called progressive overloading. Just that how you can implement in our trading. Okay, right? Before getting into our strategy, request you all to subscribe. Also there is an analytics which shows sorry, only 5 minutes is the average time what people are watching. If a 12 minutes video, 18 minutes video is watched only 5 minutes, I don't know how best you will be able to understand. To understand the concept, to understand the to know the entire thing holistically, request all to watch the video completely without fast forwarding. Okay, in the end I will give you one tip about this. One tips I will give you about the video, right friend? This is the paint. Okay, what we require is, please take down. Okay, what we require is 5 minutes chart. Okay, you can use futures, you can use spot, whichever you are comfortable you can use, there is no issue. What you have to add is 5 minutes chart, 55 EMA, exponential moving average. Okay, then super trend 10 to settings. Okay, then we also add 13 EMA. This is not a EMA crossover. Okay, only for reference. Okay, this is only for reference, it doesn't have any big contribution in this. Only for reference, to trail the stop loss or to come out of the trade, sometimes we'll use. Okay, range, what will be the range of the candle? Okay, range of the candle will be our target. Okay friend, that you keep this range as x. You can have 1x, 2x, 3x, depending upon your risk taking capacity. Where will be the stop loss? I will tell you, just it's not about this candle. Stop loss will be slightly bigger initially. As we progress, we can trail the stop loss. Fine friends, hope it is clear. 5 minutes chart you can use on futures and chart, spot, 55 EMA and super trend. These two are very important. 13 EMA we add only for reference. Okay, target is range of the candle. Okay, if the range of the candle is x, we can have 1x, 2x, 3x according to your risk taking capacity. I will explain you where to keep the stop loss. Okay, fine. Hope you are able to understand. Please watch the video completely, do not skip it. Okay, if you skip the video you may lose. See, we share our experience also a lot of time, so which any no technical will teach you. See, this is 55 EMA. Okay, anybody can invent any techniques, but it is more of a sharing our experience which makes the difference between the winner and the loser. Condition is 5 minutes candle. Okay, one candle has to close above 55 EMA. This is not a normal closing normal crossover. You just watch the video completely. 5 minutes candle has to close above the 55 EMA per buy. For sell, one red candle has 5 minutes candle has to close below the 55 EMA. Okay. Simultaneously, the super trend has to change. Super trend has to change and it has to close below EMA. Simultaneously, both should happen at the same time. Okay. Once you see this, you don't skip the video. Okay. Lot of things are there. Please watch. Super trend has to change. Both should happen. Both should happen same time. Okay. Once this high breaks, you buy. Okay. Once this low breaks, you sell. Here you buy. Okay friends, clear? We'll just have a look in the chart. Okay, how we can interpret. First I'll show you in MT4 chart, because in MT4 visualization is easy. Okay, you can see here this blue color line is 55 EMA. Later we'll go to 0 now. Okay, exponential. This pink color is 13 EMA that we just use for reference, and this is a super trend 10-2 setting. Yesterday you can see in the afternoon. Okay, see this particular candle, this blue line is our 55. Super trend changed, one candle closed above our EMA, this high is broken. You can see how far it is gone. The range is 19,459, the high is 19,785. 459, 659, 759, around 200 250 points. Okay, we are not bothered about that, we'll just worried about the range. 486, 361, 486, 486 minus 361, it's about 125 points. I'll show you what happened in the options chart also. Okay, see here, the same candle closed, this particular candle you can see, this candle you can see here, this candle, it closed above our 55 EMA, then it took off. It is closed below our 55 EMA and then it took off. You will get the range. 80% of the 80 to 85% of the time you will get that range. I will tell you how to continue this in the second part. Today will be a short video about the range. When we will also put out the second part B, where I will tell you how to continue for 2x 3x points. Right friends, hope it is clear now. Okay, here one trade, sorry, here you don't have trade. Okay, see here the classic example, super trend has changed, our candle has become green, but it is not closed, it has closed above EMI, not the first candle, the very first candle it has to be closed. You can see here, the very first candle has to be closed. You can see here, you can see the first candle here. Here, okay. You can see the first candle, you can see the first candle here. Okay friends, now we'll move to the, slowly we'll move on the chart. This I will tell you how to trade this in the end. That's what I told you. I give you one tip. This also can be played. I will give you the tip. Wait till the, watch till the end. See here, the first candle has broken. Okay, the first candle you can see here, this first candle has broken, has formed, it has broken, it has given the range. Okay, Here also you can see the first candle is broken. This is the 55 EMA. Okay, this is the super trend has changed. Candle high has broken. It has given the range. It has given the range. Okay. Here we don't trade. Why we don't trade? Because our 55 EMA is down here. Okay. Our candle is closed here. Super trend. We don't trade. No trade on that day. Here we are trade. Here we trade. Okay. See, please observe carefully. If you don't understand, watch the video 2 times, 3 times. See, with 12 years experience I'm sharing with you. You can't gain the 12 experience in the 12 minutes video. Okay. If you don't understand, please watch it again and again and again. 2-3 times you watch is nothing wrong. You can see this is our 55 EMA. This is our EMA. This is the candle which closed above the EMA. Super trend also changed. You can see it has gone. Initially, now you play for the range, whatever the range. I will tell you how to continue this in the part 2. If I get a very good viewership and then I get a thumbs up button, that means that people are liking this video. So I will post the second part where I will tell you how to hold this. You will not know whether this will, how you will know it will go up to here. There is a method to watch and then continue with that. With that method, you can definitely hold the trade also. Here you can see the first has not closed. Here no trade, no trade, no trade. Okay. Here you can see the first candle has closed. This is our 55 EMA level has broken and it has given the range. We have done it. We have done back tested. We have traded also. That's why we are really confidently and the range will given. It has given the range. Here you can see it has broken, but this low is not broken. It has closed below moving average, but this low is not broken. Okay. So like this, if we keep on testing, see, we'll tell you how to trade this. Of course, there is no trade here as per the strategy. In the second part, we will tell you how to trade this one. Okay, this how to trade that. Okay, we will tell you. So here you can see the classic example. It has not closed. The first candle when the super trend is changing has to close above or below. Here it has cut the 55 EMA. It has not closed. Okay. See, here it has closed. Then it got cut later. After candle went up and came down, it has cut. It has given the range. Okay. We keep on checking. Here you see the first candle has closed. Once this low is broken, you can see the range. Okay. Here we went short of range by 10 points. You can go and back test it. We missed the range by 10 points. We have got other methods to Fibonacci level methods to come out of the trade. Okay. That we have used and we have come out of the trade. Okay, friends. Hope this explanation is understandable. Okay, it is in a simple English. You can see here it has closed, it has cut. See, I will tell you where to keep the stop loss. I forgot. Sorry. See, initially you have to keep whichever is the lowest, whether super trend is lower or our 55 EMA is lower. Whichever is lower, there you keep the stop loss. Here you can see 55 is here, super trend is here. Here in this case, when sell it should be higher. Once it moves, once 2-3 candle moves, you can trail it to super trend. After that, you can start trailing it at the 13 EMA. The 13 EMA you can trail, or we can start trailing in the super trend. Whichever you are comfortable as per your risk appetite, you can do it. By the time you trail 80 to 80% of the time, you will get the target. Here you can see one more example. It has AFCO, even when it is closed above, we don't take this trade. There is a different method to take up this trade. Okay, that I will explain you in the part 2 video. Viewership should be more. I should get like thumbs up button. If I get enough button, I will put up the second part. Okay. Here no. Here you can see first candle is closed above our 55 EMA. Initially we will have our stop loss here. Okay. Once it moves, you can move it to the super trend or to the, you can follow the 13 EMA, your stop loss trailing. Beautifully it has worked. The entire day there is no trade for us. Okay, beautifully it has worked, friend. I'm telling you, see here, the first candle is closed. I will tell you how to catch this in the second video. Okay friends, now we will go to Zerodha chart. See, this is the futures chart I have popped out. Okay, you can keep 5 minutes. This black color line is 55 EMA. This is VWAP. If you want to keep, otherwise you delete that. Okay, this is 8. Now we have to keep 13 EMA. Sorry, just for reference, this is 10 to setting. Okay, already it is becoming a big video, so before we run out of time, we'll finish here. It has crashed. Okay, what is the time? 14:05. On which date? 22/4. What is the range? 19,481. Low is 19,333. It's about 148 points. Target is 19,629. We have got 19,629 here. You can see here. I is 36, 963, 19,629. We have already got it here. I will tell you how to hold this. Okay, now we will check. This is futures. How do you do? What is the high here? 19,481. So let us see what happened to 19,500 call yesterday. We'll pop out this chart. Sorry. This chart you can keep in 3 minutes, 5 minutes. This option chart you can keep it. What was the time yesterday? It was 14:05. You can see 14:05, 14:06. Options was 306 rupees. You can see here. It is 317 is the high. It gone up to 494. What is the high? Is 496. 317 to 496. How much, friend? 496 minus 317. It is about 179 points in options. Okay, imagine we can scalp from 30 points to 300, 400, 500 points if you follow these things very sincerely, religiously. Okay, see again, this is again, we'll go to futures chart. This is the futures chart. This is one trade is over. Next trade was on 21/4. I have written and kept. Okay, 22/4, 21/4, 21/4. What is the timing? 4:40. Sorry, 14:40. Here it is. This I will explain you in the, this how to trade this I will explain you in the end. Okay, this one more trade you can see here. This trade is on 24. Range was 272 points. Target is 20,384. You can see 20,384 is achieved. Yes, the low is 374 here. Okay, the range has been achieved. What happened to options? 20,622, 20,600 options. We can go and back test it. Okay, see, like this, if you go on checking, you will get very good trades. You have got one trade here. Here we don't trade. Okay, here this low has got cut, then we will trade. Very simple strategy. Okay, very simple. You can see the first candle has moved above. You can see it has moved. First candle has to close with super trend 10-2 setting, closing simultaneously. Here you can see the drop. This is the first candle and the drop. Please watch the video completely, friends. Okay, here you can see it has closed. First candle, here you can see So you can go back test is also check the options data. Okay, last hint I told you, no, I told you a hint which I told I will explain you in the end. Hint is, if the trade comes in the second half, please take it up, because success rate when it comes to second half is very very high. Okay, with my experience I am telling you. It doesn't mean that morning trades will not come. Morning also trades will come. Generally these kind of trade comes in the second half with my experience. Okay, so you can just do your scalping in the end. Okay, there is a disclaimer in this video. I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. The entire video, the explanation, techniques, all is only for education purpose, which I have shared with you. Profit and loss is belongs to, it's up to you. Everything is at your own risk. Please consult your technical analyst, financial analyst, whomever you are consulting, please consult them and then take up the trades. Okay friend, let us hope that you like this video and give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let us grow together, and then it is a journey what we are going to make it up. Okay friends, fine, thank you very much, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.